Hi, Star. Hi, Diamond. Hi, Crystal. How are you? You are guys the sweet birds.
If you want to know what do I think about it? Absolutely, I'll give you my opinion.
Well, they're just both flying, tweeting. The budgies.
Yeah.
I can do it, but I just don't.
So 3 budgies, Star and Crystal, and Diamond is a budgie bird.
Let's go.
Well, we're just gonna bring the birds upstairs.
I thought I could do it.
Which room?
I choked.
This room? This is too small. Let's go ahead.
No,
Yo, the
go in the
smaller
purple
the
room
better.
and put the birds.
In case they get out, it's like, you know, the vibes.
Hi, but Zohair's holding the bird cage.
Everybody can get. Yeah.
So now Star, Diamond, and Crystal is in the room. They're gonna fly away.
They're not gonna
My
fly away.
hand
Come
doesn't
on.
fit, man.
Yeah,
Fly away too.
but make sure you don't open the bird cage, okay?
Bro, my hand doesn't fit. My hand doesn't fit.
Yeah, but 3 birds are in the cage, and Star and Crystal and Diamond is in the cage, and they're just keep flying. So we cannot open the cage.